Alright guys, coming to you with my first mega box here, Space Edition. I opened all my collector's packs already, so let's get to opening the first mega box here. If we can get through this plastic. I'm interested to see what we will get. Hopefully some good stuff, like always. This comes a little bit differently. I guess these are individual packs. There we go. That's everything in your box. Should be 8 packs. There we go. Let's start it off. There we go. So that's going to be a Matrix holofoil here, and these are only going to be in the mega boxes. So in all my collector's packs, I did not have any of these Matrix holofoils because, again, they're only in the mega boxes. So just like it's the sparkle holofoils, I believe, are the ones that are in the collector box, the crystal sparkles. So just so you're aware, there's certain cards you only find in certain packs. So like this one, you will only find in a mega box. It's number 29, Edwin Hubble. Very nice. Supernova. First 5. There we go. Let's open pack number 2. Here's a border card. Antimatter. Two packs down. There we go with another Matrix holofoil. That's interesting. 2 in a row, huh? And Neptune. Very nice. Got another border. Yeah, it's coming. Packs down. I think I'm running out of room. Alright, that's a nice rainbow holofoil in there. Just stopped. We'll see if we can get through these last real quick. Last couple packs. String Theory, I think that's my first one. Nice. Alright, we got 2 packs left. That one feels nice. I'm going to leave that one for the last. Hopefully that's a good little Kirby one. Alright, another one of these. There we go. Got another rainbow holofoil. Pluto. Very nice. Very nice. Alright, last pack here, guys. Last pack of the mega box. Of course my video cut out. I missed a few things on that last one. So out of that first mega box, these are all the shinies I got. 3 of the rainbow holofoils, 3 of the matrix holofoils, and 3 of the iced foils. That's what these are with the borders. I kept saying I'm not sure what those are, but those are the parallel iced foils. These are the parallel matrix holofoils, the 3 right here that are only in the mega box. And here's a few the parallel rainbow holofoils. And in that one I did get a blue topaz gemstone numbered algebra. So 54 out of 199 was that pull. This was a pull from that first mega box. So just want to conclude that. Show you everything on that one. Alright guys, have a good one.